Okay, the light's crummy because it's getting dark, but I am gonna shoot the video for this anyway. So this is, like I was explaining, the Stacy Julian short story class. So I did our 2015 trip to Islamorada, Florida for April break, and I'm super excited because I decided at the last minute to do this project, and because I've been super working on my organization, I realized I had a whole project ready to go with all the photos and memorabilia, and I had an album to put it in because I've been working really hard on getting myself really organized. So one more huge project that I wasn't even planning on my radar to work on, but now it's done. So here we go. So I really did, I have to say, I was kind of skeptical about the process, I'll admit. But you know, it really did work out. So, and it was super fun. I had meant to do this earlier today when the sun was out, because it was really cloudy and snowing, but I didn't get to that. So this is fun because really, I don't know, fun in the sun, yay. I mean, what are you gonna do? So I usually do not do a ton of journaling anyway, so this process works out really well for me. I don't know if I would do it all the time, but I liked the quickness of it. And this is 8x8, which is a good size for me. I've been done a lot of stuff 6x8 lately, but I really do kind of like the 8x8 because you're still designing in a square, which I think is easier sometimes to design in. And yeah, and it's more real estate. Like 6x6 or like is too small. I just can't manage that. It's like too small for my brain to comprehend. So I went to Islamorada, and then on the way back we stopped in Miami Beach. So I got to see Versace's mansion and all the really cool stuff and the beautiful Art Deco hotels. So yeah, this is like super fun. And then I love that I just wrote up a page of journaling and I'm done. So thanks, Stacy. This was totally awesome.